Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Lute, and for those that are new to my channel, hi and welcome to my channel, and I would love for you to please subscribe. And so in this video, as you can see by the title, I bought some stuff from Pretty Little Thing, and some things I like and some things not so much. So I will show you guys the things that I picked up. Mostly I bought some stuff for like summer pieces. This is the bag that the stuff comes in. Yes. Sorry if that makes too much noise. So this is a cover up. So of course you'd have to put a bikini inside, and I don't know, if you want you can wear it like this, like you put some shorts inside and a little top inside underneath it, I mean, then yeah. So that's the cover up. It's black, it's nice. I like the material of it. And I remember I went on a vacation and I brought this because I bought this like a few months ago, and the other stuff I just bought them like a week ago or so. But this I've had for like a few months, and when I went on vacation I took it with me and I wore it on my vacation. It looked really nice, and yeah, so I'll put a photo of it somewhere so you guys can see it. But it's really other stuff. Again, I bought lots of cover up because I'm not that person who would be on the beach just with my bathing suit or bikini. I like to cover myself, so I bought lots of cover up just in case I go to the beach and I have to, yeah, that. And I'll show you guys how it goes. Again, because I already have some clothes on, I'll just show you over, like I'll just put this on top of what I have so you guys can have a clear picture of how it would look like. There, like, I mean, it would show your whole thigh will be out. So if you're comfortable with that, that's fine, but I mean, you're gonna have a bathing suit like inside, not like a very thick material, which is okay because it's summer, right? You don't want to put on heavy stuff a lot. And I like it, and I bought two of these. One is this one, the red one. Check that out. I won't lie to you, the black one is better than this red one. The red one looks like cheap material compared to the black one. I don't know, maybe because it's black, it's dark, and this is red, it's bright, so you could see the material of it looking like poor material. So depending on how, you know, but again, it's like just a cover up, so maybe it wouldn't be too bad, you know. So that's it. It looks like a curtain, something you could put on your windows. There you go. You know, look at it. It's not bad, right? That's it. And this, I think it was like $7. I will put the prices and the links to these things, like I said, in the description box. But I'm excited to show you these next pieces because I have mixed feelings about them. The other one is super cute, super cute, and the other one is like I don't know. Okay, so I kind of like it, but I just don't like how roomy it is. It's like it's too stretchable. Look at it, it's too straight, like too much stretch in it. Cover up is dope. I don't know why you don't love this. It kind of gives you like that Versace kind of vibe, you know. It's like Versace. I love this. I haven't even cut this, but because I love it. Actually, I would even wear like this. I would dress like this, you know. Like, this is beautiful. Look at it. Very nice. I actually love this. Like, this cover up is dope. It's giving you that loud vibe. You know, it's like you're when people see you dressed like this, they know you're coming. You're not joking. You know, she's here for business, and this is what that gives. I love this because it's so loud. It's just loud, and it actually makes even this thing looks even better. The way it looks like this, I would wear it like this, but just this by itself, nah. You guys, let me know what you think about this. Should I take it back? Should I keep it? What do you guys think? I think one more thing to show you, which is this bathing suit. I actually like this. It fits really good. The material of it is like the bondage material, and it also still has a tag on it. Bathing suit. It has the bottom parts and this. I honestly think it's cute, but let me show you guys how it looks and you tell me what you think. That is how it looks. Let's cover up number one. I think it looks beautiful. I like it. You know, if you want to be extra, you can even throw on this, but cute this little thing is. You know, that is why it's called Pretty Little Thing. It's really pretty.